Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for the flight status using the airport in the TAP Portugal application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the flight status button at the bottom of the page, and then click on the airport button at the search by section. And next you can decide if you want to search by the departure or the arrival airport, so just click on the one that you want to use and then just select the airport. And at the top of the page you also have to set the date, so just drag the button to the date of your departure, and then click on the search button, and if you have a valid date, then obviously your flight status will appear. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.